Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I am going to craft with my coffee easy postage printable, which I don't know that I've done a video on this particular collection before. I know I did a live stream where I crafted with Nikki to launch Easy Wonder Die number 3, and this was an exclusive for the folks who watched that live stream, but it's available in my shop today if you do want to buy it. And if you're not familiar with my Easy Postage printables, I designed them to go with the Easy Wonder Die number 3 and its add-on. So one of the printable pages is called the Easy Guide, and that's the one that's specifically designed to be cut with the die set, which is exclusively available and sold at the Not Too Shabby shop. But two extra pages in the collection are designed for everybody to use, whether you have the dies or not. So that's where this background comes from. So in the coffee collection, one of the extra prints has, I just really like old newsprint, and this is just a really nice collage of newsprints. And what I'm gonna do though to make it more postage themed is I'm gonna do some random stamping with the Merry Mail stamp. I think that was October's stamp of the month. And then I also pulled out Special Delivery, which was the stamp set that released with the Easy Wonder Die number 3 when it originally launched. And between the two, I think there's lots of really fun images that make this background more holiday themed, especially with Merry Mail that has a lot of holiday themed postage images. And then Special Delivery has a lot that's very general postage themed, and some of it is holiday themed as well. So I'm just going to kind of randomly stamp with, I'm using VersaFine Claire, and it just has this, and I'm trying to make this an all over print that is non-directional, but the pattern itself, if you look at it really closely, you can't really read any of the newsprint, but it definitely has, it kind of looks like there's a specific orientation to it. So I'm gonna follow that, but when I stamped, I just stamped more or less randomly in all direction. It just makes it a little bit easier to use, I think. And if you get the Easy Postage printable, this background print here, it's actually enough for two cards, two A2 size cards if you wanted. The extra pages printables, they also have extra images that you can use as your focal images. But I happen to know that this one is actually from the Easy Guide page because it's actually clipped and sized to be cut with my add-on die set for Easy Wonder Die number 3. So that's what I've used to cut this out. It gives it a really nice stitch border detailing when you cut it out. And of course it has that really nice professionally, cut edge, which I always really appreciate. And I also have just a stack. I have a stack of postage grid die cuts, individual stamp frames that are torn apart from the postage grid, and that's one of my favorite ways of crafting with the Easy Wonder Die number 3 is I like using the frame as a whole, but I also like just tearing them apart. And you could use a paper trimmer to cut if you want to have really clean cuts, but I really like just tearing it. It helps to fold it so that it's easier to kind of tear it on the line, but that postage border really makes it like a stamp, and it's almost like a perforation almost, and so it does make it easy to tear. And I did pull out, I want some extra images to make this a little bit more holiday themed, and so I pulled out this really old paper pad that I've been hoarding a little bit. It's from Kaisercraft. It's called Letters to Santa. It's got this really nice cut apart page where I've just taken some images, and using the add-on die set to Easy Wonder Die number 3, I'm cutting out some of those as images that I can make into basically little individual postage stamps with these postage frames. So the postage frames came from tearing apart the postage grid that's in the Easy Wonder die number 3. That's the die set that I have on my table. And those little stamp designs, if you use the add-on dies, it's perfect for layering on top. Then I've pulled out my holiday sentiments, which is another printable that I designed. All of the different sentiments are scaled and sized to be cut with the various add-on dies to Easy Wonder die number 3, but they're all rectangular in shape. So you could also very, very easily just hand cut those out or use a paper trimmer or guillotine to cut those if you wanted. I just find it nice and convenient to use the dies because, again, it gives you that nice professionally cut edge. And the background, I stamped out that whole panel, which is what gets printed, and it's enough to make 2 A2 size cards. So I just trimmed this first one down to 4 by 5.5, and I'm going to ink up the edges and start to collage together my card. Now, one thing that is super special that I have been waiting to announce is that for the first time ever, I am super sponsoring the Fall Winter Coffee Lovers blog hop. So if you are a fan of this challenge blog that Amy puts together, she does such a fantastic job of organizing this. They do hops several times through the year, and her blog is really lovely. She's got different designers posting inspiration to it all the time. Amy runs a really fabulous Facebook group as well if you're looking for more caffeinated inspiration. And then the Fall Winter Coffee Lovers blog hub is really great because if you play along by creating a caffeinated themed project, you can enter into the link party and have a chance to win some amazing prizes that have been donated by really generous craft companies in our community, which is really, really awesome. I'm not a craft company, I'm a creator, and so it's a real honor to be asked to sponsor this blog hop, and it's really, my honor, my pleasure to be a part of it as a sponsor. So I'm really excited. The prizes that you can win from me are, I'm offering one winner a $25 gift certificate to shop my website, which is lvhandcrafted.com. And I'm offering 5 winners the chance to get an Easy Postage printable collection. You can get the full collection, which includes the Easy Guide and the extra printable as well. And you can pick whichever Easy Postage printable you want that's available on my website. This being one of them if you are a coffee lover as well. And the winner of the $25 gift certificate, there's a variety of things that you can purchase on my website. And over the years, I've kind of started to really expand my offerings. So you'll find not only my Easy Postage printables, you'll find my mini one-sheet wonder printables. You'll also find digital illustrations that have been illustrated by mostly Meg Brighter, but some occasionally I've had other talented friends of mine contribute digis that are available for sale through my shop as well. And not only can you get those digitals, you can also get classes, and there are the Coloring with Meg classes, which Meg teaches live. Those classes are actually recorded live, which is really great because if you are able to catch the live recording and you are coloring along with Meg, you have the benefit of asking questions, showing Meg your work in progress, and getting her feedback on it directly. As well, I have online classes under my crafting masterclass series where I invite other really talented crafters to teach a class, and those are taught in real time. They're pre-recorded, but they are taught in real time so that you can follow along as well. So a lot of variety of things. And I'm starting to do events now as well with the Paper Escape. But the $25 gift certificate is not going to be applicable to events. So they'll just work on my printables, the digital illustrations, and the online classes. So I hope that you play along with the 2025 Fall Winter Coffee Lovers blog hop. I'm going to leave links to everything in the description box below. And a big thank you to Amy for having me as a super sponsor. Thanks to you for checking out my video today. And until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.